For those of you who I've worked with in corporations and universities all over China, nice to see you. For those of you who are new, welcome. I will be successful. Santo. I will be successful. You know what? It's true. Sometimes you just have to start by saying the words. Just saying the words can make it true.
My name's Miles.
My name is Yi.
Wow. Go.
Got it. What if what we do today can maybe not make you that, boys, but maybe give you a little bit of that superpower? Communications. Communications. Good. What does communications mean? Dialogue. Good. What else? That's the point I want? Okay, what other English ideas for communications? Conversation. Good. What else? Maybe good listening, good hearing, good clear writing, good reading. Also our bodies, right? We communicate with our language, our hua, but again, also our faces, our eyes, our beautiful Chinese personalities. Really, look at this picture. Look at this picture. What English words come to your minds? International, yes. Maybe more cross-culture, like Jennifer said. International. Maybe more global. Okay. So we have this. We have this. This is a way. Let's call it a representation for thinking. For thinking. It's about how do we take what is great about us, learn about other ways of thinking, and then if we are able just a little bit to put those two things together, that's where the magic is. Work together, say ni hao, how are you? You two say ni hao, how are you? And then do your introduction. So it's interesting how language works in our brain, you know, what it means. Something that's so clear in one culture feels and sounds completely different in another culture. It's very, very, very fascinating. Where's EQ?
EQ? I don't know.
Yeah, so next to EQ, emotion, please write heart, H-E-A-R-T. Everybody kind of thinks and feels and makes decisions about their life and about their relationships, their guanxi, the schools they go to, the jobs they take, using different parts of the body, of the system. With your finger, point to your mind. Where's your mind? Good. Keep it there. Keep it there. Don't move it. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Good. Now we can look at our friend. You can't change. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Interesting. This is a very complicated world. Please say complicated. Complicated. World. 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 World.
This is a very complicated world. It is a very noisy world.
Excellent. Excellent.
Jack Ma once said.
Start with that, Jack.
Okay. Jack Ma once said, today is very difficult. Tomorrow will be worse. The day after will be great.
Yes, it's incredible. Nobody else has this. Nobody. Nobody. You. What's this? Mwah! What's this? Get it. Start the process. Everybody here, get a passport. Get it. I don't care if you have a plan. It gives you opportunity. It gives you choice. There we go. What's your dream? That makes me a little sad. Sonny, look at me.
Yeah.
What's your dream?
I don't know.
All right. Sonny,
Yeah.
it's really important. What's your dream?
I want to be a musician.
Cool. All right, okay. We got it. We helped her structure her thinking around her dream. If we can help our friends do that, get closer to their dream, if we can help our friends like Sunny get closer to their dream, is there anything better we can do for our friends? Is there?
Labs, you need to realize your dream.
I need to study English very hard, and second, I need to go to abroad to university.
You guys are cool. You're friendly, you're happy. This is really a great class. So first of all, I just want to thank you very much for coming today. I'm going to help you develop your communications, your understanding of international thinking, and even your own a little bit better. Help you develop your personal leadership strengths and understand cultures to help you better achieve your goals, whatever they may be, wherever they may be.